Balik.
Bisaya, this vlogger.
Yo, what's up mga kaayo? Nakako diri karon sa Mata Expo Tattoo Competition 2020 diri sa J Center Mandawi. Nasa kuluyo mo na ang mga ongoing tattoo artist nga nag-buzz. Dili ko makalimutan pasalamat ko sa nagpawam sa mic yun, si Joe or Kia. O shoutout ko sa sponsor ako sa shirt KYELL Clothing, Wasted Needed og OPON Core. So stay tuned lang sa mga montage. Daghan jud kayo. Yo!
Ang Mata Expo giisip mao sa labing dako nga global na pangitabo, multicultural marketing ug modernized livelihood or social media enterprise. Ibaba mo na ang mata means in Japanese terminology kay see you again, sa Tagalog means symbolic word, visual, and small world sa komunidad sa deaf-related community.
Well, Mata Expo is originally it's just a deaf event, but we're welcoming different hearing communities or different enthusiasts, visual arts enthusiasts, to raise awareness on how they can help the deaf community, and tattoo is one of them, and one of the strongest points of Mata Expo Philippines. Cosplay. Yeah, so more on visual yung event so that the deaf people can enjoy. And at the same time, we're sponsoring projects, charity projects for the deaf. So like right now, our project is the captioning services for SPED Davao, Bangkal Davao SPED. And it's providing free, it's a free service for classrooms that have deaf students. And right now we have our ongoing project with Davao, so we're raising funds for that. So yeah, we've had Mata Expo since 2005. It started in the States, in Long Beach, California, and then it's still ongoing there, and we still have it in the US. And 2012, we started it here in Manila at the World Trade Center. And then every year we do it, and then we tried doing it in Cebu. So alternate siya, like Cebu, Manila. 2016 kami nag-start with Cebu. And then 2018, so this is our third Mata Expo Cebu. And it's growing, and yeah, it's been awesome. So we continue to do these events for our projects.
Ang ikaduhang highlighted event kay ang mini 4-wheel drive racing. Nakig-partner ang Gilmore Hobby Shop sa Mata. O mga batang 90s diha. Kibaw na mo kung asa dapit. Para mapakita nila na ang 90s racing kay still ongoing. Gilmore Hobby Shop located sa 127 Bonifacio Street, Dayas, Cebu City. Pero sa Saturday and Sunday, naa silay race sa J Center Mall, Mandawi City. Ang Redeem Tattoo is located in Marison Condo, C. Rosal Street, Cebu City, Philippines. Owned by renowned tattoo artist Boots Brandon. Nahimo ang Redeem Tattoo tungod sa plataporma sa mga tao ug sa ilang passion sa mga interesado og tattoo. Ang Redeem karon kay premier ug leading tattoo studio diri sa Cebu.